Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Now you should have seen from the title and the thumbnail that this time I will not be solving one, but I will be solving two Rubik's Cubes before I get going. Now this is a 3x3, this is a 2x2, so this will be not insanely hard. But yeah, let's get into it. You will notice I will be allowing myself to move, but I have to move while still solving the Rubik's Cube. Editing Gus here. Now I realized while watching that the start of each race is extremely boring. So I'll be editing every single start of the race out. Only after I solve the cube will I show the gameplay. And then if I complete the challenge, I will show a video of evidence that I did solve both Rubik's Cubes at the end. So that way you won't get a spoiler for which one it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm actually really excited for this challenge because I probably won't get disconnected as much as I did previously. Now I don't know what happened, but somehow we bumped every single wall and that realigned us. I think that's what happened. Because I heard several bumps. I probably should go for coins. I forgot I had to change, almost. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I should have probably gone for coins because then that would make this bullet better. But we're already in the pack. Like, that's actually crazy that we're already in the pack. On a street circuit as well. With, well, I guess there were several shortcuts. I'm just gonna take my time. I want these items in 9. Okay. I stole a golden. Oh, I actually got scared that that person was gonna hit me, but I was in the boost still, so I shouldn't have been. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I'm just gonna use these. That was very bad. Whew. Nah. Okay, let's wait for people to pass. And then let's use this, get this coin. Another gold. Like, I need better items than this, I think. Oh, come on. Ah, I got the shock now. It's not bad. Wait, we're almost at the end. I didn't know. My track knowledge is so low. But anyways, those guys would have dodged, so it's not a big deal. Don't disconnect. I don't know how I didn't disconnect. Okay, we're gonna go up for coins. I don't think I've ever been up there. Okay, now we're gonna use it into this shortcut. Not shortcut, but you know, this area. Don't steer inwards there. Sometimes there are glitches. Okay, we're very far away, but it's definitely possible, considering how long this track is. Let's go inside. Let's chain into the set. Okay, we could use this shroom, golden mushroom. I'm not going inside and getting hit by the train. Basically, everything has to go perfect if I want to be out. What the heck, man? Basically, I have to play this perfectly if I want to, you know, do the best I can and catch up. As I say that, I mess up. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay, we're taking this path apparently. Which, I mean, why are there so many bumps? I have no idea. Oh, you know what would be nice? Getting that item box. Okay, we got a bullet. We're gonna use it here again. Get this item. And will it drop me off before the item box? I hope so. We haven't gotten a shock though or anything. Why does it take this path? This stupid bullet. No, I knew I'd get hit there. Well, we got 9th. Okay. At least we didn't get disconnected right now. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Let's pick up some coins. I have to use my stars earlier. All my items earlier. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so now I could use the bullet in this shortcut. Which, by the way, I'm so bad at taking this shortcut. So it's very good that I could use the bullet. Okay. Honestly, it's looking like we're gonna have a chance on this track. I just have to not mess up. I feel like it's so easy to mess up here. Or at least I feel like I don't know the track well enough, and so I mess up all the time. That's probably it. Oops, I got one item because I was focusing on hop. Oh, and I got shocked. Well, it doesn't matter if my first item was a golden anyways, compared to anything else. We're gonna have to go for the double item box. Even, I don't know the shroomless way to take this shortcut anyway, so it's not a big deal. But watch that banana. I know I'm going so slow, but getting this item box is super important. I should just use it. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, we're almost caught up. Maybe we get a shot. Okay. Let's hope this gets burnt before the next item set. It should be. Make sure we get that. Ah, we got a blue shell. And another shock, man. That race could have gone way, way better. We just got unlucky with the shocks and the items we were getting. We didn't get any anything that would enable us to dodge, really. And I missed that item box, but like, really, what am I gonna do? Oh, maybe beat that guy. Yeah. It's over. How are we not disconnected? I have no idea. Okay, we're gonna need insane luck. Let's get these coins. Honestly, when you're begging, those coins are so useful. Let's use it. That was so bad. Oh my gosh. Spam golden. Okay. Honestly, I'm just gonna continue spamming it. I'm gonna use it. Come on, bullet. We need a shock dodge, a shock. We need much luck here if we want to do somewhat decent. I mean, we're catching up. We passed somewhat already somehow. Wait, that guy's actually very good for us because he didn't even use the shock. The guy that far back. I was also, I think, spamming, so I should have been able to get the star out, but we're gonna use it. Pick up some coins, please, bullet. Thank you. Honestly, it wasn't bad, that shock, I don't think. Okay. Okay. Chain into the set. Use this. Okay, we're gonna be able to use the bullet at the extension. As long as I don't spam it away accidentally. And oh my gosh. Okay. So I believe there's an extension here. Shock, please. We need a shock. Yes! 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 Come on! What the heck? And that bullet lasted forever. I'm trying to think of where to use this. Okay. We're in first. Come on. We gotta use it. No point saving it any longer, right? Oh, there's a blue shell. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Outrun the blue shell. Outrun the blue shell. No, there's a red shell. No! And there's a shock. No! Bro. Bro. I should have saved that golden. Why did I use it? I was in first. I didn't need a larger getaway. Or maybe I did. Well, that red shell came from me anyways. Oh, man. Come on, don't get disconnected. Wow, one mushroom. I think that's because we were bagging. The game said, you're bagging, we're gonna nerf you. Okay. It's okay. We're not insanely far back. Use it right away. Oh, get me a coin, please, bullet. Okay. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. Ay, what a mistake. What a big mistake. That's very bad. But at least we'll be able to chain into the set. Or not chain, get 2 items in the set. Use it right away. Ah, all the item boxes are placed so poorly though, if you want a bag, you know? Oh, I forgot that's a bullet extension. Okay. We need a shot. Come on, game. We're almost caught up. Ay. Yeah. Nothing we can do, really. Come on, bullet. We beat someone. 11th. Let's go. Okay, we're alive. By alive, I mean we have a shot at this. I feel like this is not a bagging track, but I wonder if that guy saw what I was doing and decided to follow exactly what I was doing, or if they're just bagging as well. Oh, you kidding me, man? Couldn't have waited until I was in that bullet. Or I could ask for the items to have given me the bullet first. Come on. Ay. No good. Good, drop me off right here. Now we can take a couple shortcuts. That was so weird. Nah, come on. Well, there's fire. We've basically caught up. Come on. Shock, please. Another shock. Ay, Funky Kong, come on. So many coins, though. Oh, but no. I messed up my drift. Is it lap 3? No, it's lap 2. Okay. Let's steer away from that car. But definitely still possible. We kind of just need a shock dodge. That guy's got a golden. I meant a bullet. We've got a golden. No, what? What even hit me? Okay, let's chill a bit. The only way we win is if we get a dodge item and there's another shock. Which, it's possible. Nope, we didn't even get any items. But we're in 5th right now. Oh, we got hit by those triple greens. Stay away from the bullet. Pass one guy at the finish line and we get 7th. Oh my gosh, it's 200 cc. Okay. Okay. We're turning on smart steering. Okay. I think that was a great idea to turn on smart steering. I'm just gonna use it. Come on, bullet. There's a blue shell. First place is outrunning it a little bit. Okay. Let's use it. Come on. Drop me off. No. Okay, we're passing one person. No. Okay. Wait, it's possible. Another blue shell. Oh wait, that's the finish line. It's not possible. Ninth place. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. I was going to say, what the heck is that? Why is there a red shell going for me when I'm in 11th and I'm so far behind? Oh my gosh, I am so happy that didn't go for me, but that would have been hilarious as well. Well, oh, the cube wasn't even solved. I needed one more turn. But, so I wouldn't have even gotten it because I didn't even notice it was unsolved. Okay, those arrows on the wall surprisingly helped me a lot. Okay, we need our coins up. We're very far back. Oh, I wanted a bullet. There's a bullet extension here. Come on. Okay. We're gonna use it. Because if we get a bullet here, like I said, let's use it. Ooh, I probably should have used it earlier, but that's not bad. It would be nice to take this shortcut, but we're gonna use this, of course. Okay. Get this coin. Ooh, having two would have been nice. Oh, I kind of just spammed that. That was stupid of me. Actually, was it? Because now I got the double item box. Doesn't matter if we bullet extend, really. Okay, I need this next item set. Okay, and I'm gonna use it into this shortcut here. Beautiful. We've caught up, bro. This track. Go center. Oh, we shock dodged. Oh my gosh! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is it. This is it. Oh, that Diddy Kong is so far up. No, I knew I had to go for it if I wanted a chance, but I just completely messed that up. No, man. Wow. And we got 5th. Don't disconnect. Come on. Okay, well, we didn't disconnect. Definitely possible now. I want these items. Oh, I got a shock. I just spammed it. That was good. I think one person dodged. Okay, we need these items. Come on. You may think that's stupid to stop. Maybe it was. I don't know. I wasn't gonna say it wasn't stupid because I don't know if it was or not. But let's try to get coins. We only have 5. I could have gone for those ones on the left. Okay, wait. We're already kind of close to the pack. And we got 2 items there. Let's get these coins and their bullet. Let's go. Oh my gosh. We're catching up. This was one of the tracks I thought there's no way we're coming back on. And we got an item box there. That was so stupid. We got another shock. No, I'm so bad. I can't believe I did that. We got 2 shocks that race. This race. Wait, is the whole pack here? Basically everyone. No way! I tried to spam. Aw, man. When you get so much luck like that, I feel like it's so terrible that I messed it up. I mean, it is. Woo! What the heck? I got 3rd anyways, but that was so weird at the end. And that yellow Yoshi was very far ahead anyway, so there wasn't much I could do. And we're back at 10,000 PR. Let's go. Make sure to get our coins up. There's already a shock. That actually wasn't too bad. We didn't lose any items. I just need to use this. Bullet's gonna pick up an item box for me. I wanted it to pick up coins, but it didn't. We're gonna take this turn more tight, and then we're gonna We only have 4 coins. I gotta prioritize coins. I didn't know we had that few. Come on. Okay, we got coins. I should use them. What is that? What is that? Bro, has that ever happened to... Someone has to have that happen to them. Bro, that's gotta be fixed. That's ridiculous. Oh, and another shock. I mean, that's good. That's good for me. Okay, wait. It's possible. Bullet, don't send me off this time. Drop me off before the item box, actually. Wait, this is very good. No way, there's another shock right now, right? I gotta use this golden. No, I went off. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not that big a deal. Okay. Come on, Bullet. Why are you so slow? Ay. 8th. 9th. And now we get the shock dodge. 3 shocks though. And we were decently close. Man, if I didn't fall off, probably would have gotten 8th at least. Oh, that was such a big mistake. But I didn't get the shock dodge 2 times. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm actually pretty excited about this one. This track, it's possible to come back from very far. And I think it's just because of how long it is. Let's see. Good solve. I'm gonna turn. Now I get some free cube solving time. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay, we got a good chance. Okay, we're gonna use the bullet over the cut. Okay, nice. That is very nice. We've already caught up to someone. Okay. That's so weird, whatever bullet just did. Wait, we're already caught up. That solve must have been fast then, right? Oh, shoot. That's actually not that bad. That guy's got a shot. No. Wait, we barely lost any time. And we didn't have any items anyways. I gotta stop. Okay, we need coins though. Okay, wait, what the heck? We're in 5th. Oh, I didn't see that guy because my camera. Come on. Woo! Another shock right here would be huge. Come on. No, it's too late for a shock. We got a golden. Oh my gosh, we got a golden. I'm gonna use these. Okay, there's a blue shell. That blue Yoshi though is pretty far. Oh shoot. Someone give me their mushroom boost. Landed right on the boost panel. No! I missed it again! No! That was so good. Okay. Ah, man. New strategy? I have to steer as well while solving the cubes. Okay, let's go. Okay, wait, we're not that insanely far behind. Okay. Come on. I got one item box. getting one item box was not ideal. But there's a blue shell. Let's use bullet. ASAP. Get the coins. Let's go. We got 3. Got another coin. We got a bullet. I want to use it ASAP. There was a bullet extension. It's okay. Wait, we're almost caught up. We're almost caught up. Come on, I can't make mistakes here. Shock dodge maybe? No, that guy doesn't have a shot. Ooh, my gosh. We're gonna have to use that star a bit earlier than I would like to. That messed me up almost. Okay, good. I didn't mean to spam it, but that's a good idea. Okay, come on. Get another bullet here. That would be beautiful. A golden. I'm just gonna use it. Then we're gonna need a good double item box here. Nice, we got it. Okay. Okay, we didn't lose much time. There's another blue shell, by the way. No. And I hit it. No. Bro. Okay. Okay. Nice. I gotta use it, bro. I don't know how. I don't know what I'm doing here. But look, we're almost already at the pack. I got a shock. Okay, I have to make sure not to shock dodge people. Come on. Let's wait. Wait, right after this item set. It's gonna be so OP. Okay, no one dodged. Come on. I need a shock dodge here. Watch that fire. I missed the items. No. No way, man. No. Okay, wait. This is so good. That was so good. We barely lost time compared to usual. Let's get these coins. I'm just gonna go for single because those bananas. Gonna use that bullet. Okay, I didn't know if it was gonna use top or bottom path, but it doesn't really matter. We're basically caught up to the pack. I'm just gonna spam, I guess. Come on. Use the bullet extension. We're not smuggling a good item though. Oh, it didn't extend. We got a star in third? I guess it wasn't third when I hit the item box. That's not bad. We're basically just front running now. I don't know when to use this. I think I just use it when I'm threatened. I should have probably used it there maybe. No, I'll use it into the shortcut. If I could hold it till then. Gonna use it. Come on. Okay. There's first. There's second. Get ahead of this guy. Okay, come on. No. Come on, we need some luck. No. We need to protect. No, we need to attack. We got third. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Come on. Spam. Let's get that star out ASAP. I should have got 2 coins there, but I'm stupid. Come on. Wait, there's someone begging as hard as me. Or is he a robot? Item lag, no. Okay. At least it didn't only give me mushrooms. I thought that's what would happen. Because it happens a lot if there's item lag. We're gonna take that turn sharp instead of getting coins. We're gonna use that bullet. Turn in. Good, it picked us up an item. At least this track is decently long. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I drifted the right way there. Okay. That was so bad. My indecision cost me so bad. I was like, oh, do I go for shortcut? Do I go for single item box? Do I go for double item box? Just gonna use it. Got a bullet. Come on. Now is when we need luck. I need a shock dodge. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh, I used that blue way too early. Sixth. Not the worst. We're close to the Donkey Kong, but pretty bad still. Okay, that was so bad, I think. Oh my god. I don't know why I was holding backwards, but it was so bad because there's a bullet extension. Actually, it doesn't really matter, does it? Because we don't want the bullet to extend. We want instead to get this item box. Unless that was the extension. In which case, hooray. Okay, we're just going to use it into the shortcut, this bullet. Get that trick. Boom. Hold left. End, bullet, end. Okay, now a bit problematic. We are catching up. We're going to need a shock dodge or something. Now is when I could be a bit more strategic with my items. So this time, we're going to use it into the... No! I should have dodged. Watch that green shell. Okay, wait. If we get a bullet, that will be good. There we go. Come on. Come on, bullet. Extend, please. No! What is that? Oh, we got last. Come on. Okay, let's go, let's go. Where did that guy get items from? Was he bagging? I have no idea. But let's make sure to get coins. Good. Speed me right back up, bullet. Let's get those coins. Let's use this. Okay. Oh, we got a shot. Okay. Wait till this guy's out of his bullet. No. Oh, I dodged the person in first. But at least we're in the pack. Oh no, why are you backing your green shells? I don't understand. What was the benefit to backing your green shells there? It's okay, we're in the pack, as I said. Not that bad. I'm just using this. Okay, while we're waiting, we need someone to get blue shells. No, I should have used it on the fastest path. Come on. Ah, I saw that Mario had fire. Let's just use it. Oh, I think I got the Waluigi's triple mushrooms. Bro, I'm so lucky I got fifth there. I made so many mistakes. If I didn't make mistakes, we had a chance. Don't pop, cube. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this track's the best. Look, we're not that far behind, to be honest. It's not like the shortest track, but it's not the longest. Okay. Nice. We're gonna use the bullet in this shortcut because I don't know how to take it otherwise. There we go. And we got a golden behind. Okay. There's a blue shell. That's good. Watch out for these green shells that are trying to hit me. Oh, you're kidding. I'm just gonna use it. We're gonna get an 8th place box, but first place is pretty far, so it didn't matter. I was gonna say, no way. What? No. Well, now I can take the shortcut. And I missed the second trick. And I missed the mini turbos. Oh my gosh. This is a disaster. Oh, we're only at 3 coins. I should have prioritized those coins a bit more. Yeah, there is like no way. Those guys are so far ahead. How? Whew. That fireball like just disappeared. Bro, what? Wait, hold up. I didn't hit a glider there? Well, very lame. Very, very lame. Okay. Not bad, not bad start. Okay. Let's focus on some coins and the item boxes, I guess. I prioritize the item boxes there. Oops, I didn't mean to trick. We already got 10 coins. But we're still far away. But I guess this track is a bit longer. We're gonna use that bullet ASAP. We're gonna get 1 item box here. Then we're gonna get 2 at the next set, hopefully. Okay. Okay, we're in 9th. Let's stay a bit back. Okay, we got the double item box. No one hit the cloud. I'm not gonna hit it. Oh, I did hit it accidentally. I'm so good that even when I try not to hit the cloud, it just, you know, magically gets hit. Okay, we're gonna use 1 here. We're gonna have to use it here. Okay, wait, we're in 4th. Somehow we're in 4th. Someone send a blue shell. We're gonna have to use it. I messed up so bad. Okay. There's a blue shell. Okay, 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 okay. It's possible, it's possible, it's possible. Someone bombed. Oh my gosh. We got triples. Wait, 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 wait. Come on, come on, come on. I hit them with a fire. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Purple. We did it! Let's go! Oh my gosh. Okay, this time I'm gonna show the cubes, because on the last video I didn't. But these are both solved. I don't know how we did that. I can't believe my fire hit that guy. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. And as promised, I have added at the end of the clip the start of the clip where you could see that I did in fact solve both Rubik's cubes. Of course, not before moving, but before actually trying. This challenge was extremely difficult, but the next one is going to be even more difficult. It's going to be two 3x3s. So stay tuned for that. And then that's probably going to be the last video in this series. So from then on, I'll have a bunch of different video ideas. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed.